What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the videos. For today's video, I'm gonna make the Civic louder because why not, right? Okay, well, I mean, I don't have an exhaust system or a muffler. All I'm gonna do is just do a muffler delete, and yeah. Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we got some Civic content, so don't even think that your boy was falling off with the Civic content. I just been doing a lot of Christina related things, and speaking of Christina related things, I should probably be getting my car back later this week. Well, next week. So like September, the first week of September, I should probably be picking up my car. And from the last video you guys seen about me timing, I might gotta get a new tensioner. I gotta take this to Randy's house, put on the vise, put this all the way back, and then, you know, I'm gonna walk you guys through it if like you have a bad tensioner or a new tensioner. Today's focus is primarily on Yumi. See that nasty little stock little muffler? We're doing a muffler delete this video, baby. So yeah, man, I'm gonna see how loud it actually is. If it's not loud enough where I don't get no noise complaints, we'll keep it on the car. But if it's, you know, too loud, but I doubt it's gonna be too. I think it's gonna sound just right. So, without further ado, let's back the car up a little bit more in the garage because it's way too damn hot out there. So. So if you don't know what a muffler delete is, if you're new to the car scene and stuff, a muffler delete is where you just basically unbolt your muffler from your exhaust system, whether it's a full catback or just this or just a stock exhaust. So all we have to do is get these two, I think these are 12 mils and the one in the front, 14 millimeter bolts. Can't remember, but all we're doing is basically removing these two. All we're basically doing is removing these two bolts and nuts. Removing the hanger, or we could just gap it and see how it sounds. Keep the muffler on, but just like have it hang. We can do that and see how it sounds, and so we don't have to get rid of this entirely because that would kind of suck. Because I don't know. I mean, look how small it is. So I do have, you know, since it's a factory untouched car, from like the perspective of the exhaust system, it has factory catalytic converter, a resonator. All this is OEM piping. I'm not sure if this is the OEM pan because I don't know. I don't think OEM pans look like this, and the size of like this long thing. I don't know. I think this has probably been replaced. I'm sure it has been replaced because I know there'd be like a part number right here if it was OEM or something. But all in all, we're gonna take this bad boy off, see how it sounds, and yeah, go from there. But underneath, not too bad. No rust. Beautiful. Hopefully these bolts don't break. That would be nice. But yeah, man. Well, shout out to Honda for just having welded nuts on the back of the piping instead of having another bolt. I put that on there to hold it for no reason because it's just welded on nuts. So that's great. This thing is now gapped. I just have to drop it from the hanger and crank this bad boy up and see how it sounds. Pretty excited, to be honest. I never thought me doing Ricer stuff to my car is so exciting, but here I am with my face under a wheel. But I got jack stands, so don't worry, we're good. And they're touching, so we're good. Well, the pipe's off, and I might as well just remove the whole exact muffler, but let's crank it up and see how it sounds. Get to use my mount that I bought a while back for like POV stuff. Not POV, but for like car review stuff that I never do. I want to do car reviews, I just never do it. Let me put on my seatbelt for y'all roast me. Yo, Zosh, bro! Put on your seatbelt! Alright. But man, did you hear that tone? Wow, it sounds so good. definitely gonna have to have my drive it. I'm heading to my house right now to drop off an impact gun. I'm gonna have my do like a flyby drive thing so I can record it that way so you guys can hear that, you know, the audio from the outside. But man, this shit sounds great. I mean, this car is still slow. This shit's so slow. You guys probably can't even hear the exhaust, but it sounds much better than it did before. All right, we at Uchi Quigley's house. Somebody's about to drive the car. Dude, that shit sounds good, bro. Little muffler delete, nah, me. It does, right? For a little muffler delete, don't sound too bad. Hey, rev it, bro. Rev it, bro. Rev it, bro. Aw. That sounds pretty good.
You sound like fucking racers. You fucking rev that shit.
Man, all I want is some wheels. I want to go lower. Oh yeah, if you guys know it, my front lip kind of got destroyed. So I need a new one. Get me another SIR replica lip. Or get me the Mugen replica. I need a front lip again. Looks so good. Ooh, Uji Quigley and Randy. Randy, bro, what's up? Yeah, I got my car back. It's at the house. It's chilling. What's up, bro? Oh, he said he gonna do a burnout. Randy boy. Randy boy gonna do a burnout. Ooh.
Shit, it got no exhaust.
It do got exhaust. That shit sound nice, huh? Hey. Randy boy. It got no grip. What are you doing? You suck. Oh my god, bro. They gonna call the cops on y'all stupid ass.
Watch.
Oh my god. Yeah.
That's a mice, bro. Why you look so pissed? Look like he's
Mother! Dad! Oh my god.
I didn't do that.
Yo, you guys are idiots. Hey, I sent it, bro. My e-brake nice, huh? Yeah, I feel like good thing my shit's not loud though. Hey, that was cool, Randy.
He's good at that part. Rolling reverse back.
I don't know how to do a burnout, so I don't try.
I didn't do the e-brake thing.
These guys are wild, man. Wild guys. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for yet another video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm closing this video out where I normally close out the videos, which makes it feel kind of cool. You know what I mean? I ain't close it out. I want to apologize for not bleeping out any of the curse words in this video. I was trying to edit this thing fast to get it uploaded. That's why like most of the music in this video is like the same song, kind of. So I only use like 3 beats. Normally I use like 8 to 10 beats, but I apologize for this lack of effort that went into this video of editing because I wanted to get it uploaded today. Today's the 25th and it's 11:14, so you're probably gonna watch this August 26th around like 12:30 or 12 o'clock, depending on me actually editing this outro video. I already edited the video, I'm just editing at the what you guys don't care about this. What am I talking? But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yes, the car don't sound good on camera, but in person it do sound pretty good. Like, I can't front. It's a little ricey with the little raspiness, but for the most part, it sounds better than a stock muffler, and it costs $0 to make my car a little bit louder. So, hey, if you have a Civic and you're new to the car scene, you want to make your car loud and not too ricey, just take off the muffler or buy an exhaust. Eventually, I'll upgrade to an exhaust, you know what I mean? But for now, that's what I'm rocking with, and it is what it is. So, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be sure to see you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out Bodie Vision's YouTube channel for all the update videos and progress, basically, same shit, of Christina. Okay? Cool. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Bye. Peace.